Welcome back, Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain what is the use of the pressurized gas inside the shock absorber. Here you can see one of the traditional shock absorber. This one hydraulic oil filled. There is no gas. Traditional shock inside there is one chamber and inside fluid, and there is one piston also. The piston will move up and down. The piston head there is one small valve also. So piston will move down. The down chamber oil will jump to the top side of the piston. This way the shock will absorb the fluid will absorb the shock. Traditional shock absorber piston will move up and down continuously, and the oil become hot, and there is chance to the oil inside there is small air bubbles will come, and it's become the oil viscosity will change, and the shock absorbing capacity will lose. So if you feel the high pressure gas inside the shock, these bubbles recover the high pressure gas, so the oil viscosity will not change. If you can travel 3 hour 5 hour, you can drive long, there is no effect on the fluid change. Today the most of the vehicle use the gas filled shock absorber, because this kind of shock more effective and very long life, and they absorb more shock and continuously travel. There is no any fluid change, no any air bubbles inside the oil. Without a shock absorber, the spring will jump continuously. When you brake, when you accelerate, every time the vehicle will bounce and you will not get any stability. So the shock absorber what to do when the spring is bouncing excessively, the excessive energy the shock absorber will absorb, and it will convert to the oil heat energy, and it will dissipate. If your vehicle shock is weak, then you will feel the bouncing. Maybe the rear side, maybe the front side, maybe the right side, left side, it will bounce. Which shock is weak, that area will bouncing. You will feel when you drive. If you like this information, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.